better life in Tsinghua.
New beginnings, new friendships.
The next semester at Tsinghua.
More publications.
More love.
身体健康，学业有成。
To learn Chinese.
Learning more Chinese and hopefully going here for a master's.
在学业，然后实习、找工作方面比较顺利。
Exploring more of China and meeting lots of new people.
Graduating and finding a job and really kind of taking my life to the next step and becoming a full-fledged adult.
Better result, better body, yeah, and participate in more activities, such more social activities.
Having another semester at Tsinghua.
New friends.
就做事情更专注，然后更坚定，然后更有目标。
Finishing my undergrad.
Finishing my degree at Schwartzman.
Participate more activities and hope to get a better result.
找到自己真正热爱的事业。
Yeah, publishing my first paper.
Volunteering maybe in Africa or South America. Or just finishing my master actually.
Yeah, I'm definitely going back to Europe. And I have some ongoing projects there, but I'm like, yeah, really looking forward like to also finish off like the master.
希望可以沿着2018找到的方向继续前行下去，然后希望可以看到一点自己未来的样子。
充实，
一切顺利 ，High GPA。
可以好好做好每一件事，然后可以顺利的博士生开题，继续加油吧。